Well, more than 70 billion rand has flooded out of South Africa's bonds and equities in just 6 months. This is because foreign investors have decided to take their money elsewhere. Also, the value of the bonds has decreased significantly. ENCA's business reporter Heidi Giokos takes a look at what this means for our economy.
Foreign investors are selling off South African bonds and equities at the fastest pace on record, to the tune of 70 billion rand. This is because foreign investors don't see the country as a destination to invest in.
The loss of confidence in the country, loss of confidence by foreign investors. You know, this latest move to help out Eskom. As much as we're happy that Eskom is getting help, but from the other side, if you're sitting overseas and you're looking at the impact it has on our fiscus, it's creating a different picture, and it's not a positive picture.
But what are the risks when foreign investors take their money elsewhere?
Potential weakness in our currency, but I say that with a lot of caution because the rand has got a mind of its own. The biggest issue that arises when foreigners sell the market is, obviously the weakness in the value of the investments in the country and the negative tones.
Despite the outflows, the country's main stock index has increased to almost 11%, which means local investors are helping prop up South African assets. But is this really the remedy needed?
We need foreign investors because we need their capital. We're a capital short country. We need to somehow switch to a capital rich country.
Should the situation get worse, government will need to seek help.
We're going to have huge problems offsetting the current account deficit and the budget deficit. And I think that this is why there's lots of serious talk about perhaps having to consider an approach to the IMF as the lender of last resort.
The prognosis for the South African economy is not good. Investors are seeing the red flags and moving their money. Moody's is the only rating agency that still grades South Africa's debt higher than junk status. Heidi Giokos, Johannesburg.